Realme is crowdsourcing ideas for copying Apple's dynamic island. This was only a matter of time, Will. You're not surprised one bit.
Someone had to do it.
You're over there eating your lunch saying, yep. Yep.
Yeah.
What'd you have for lunch today, Will?
I had buttered chicken.
What? Well, never mind the dynamic island. That was way more important.
Uh-huh.
That was some dynamic chicken.
It was delicious. Always a big fan.
Well, listen, as soon as Apple's keynote ended, I started seeing clips of dynamic island-like behaviors. Companies getting to work, skins and things going wild. I saw it on social media. I was on social media. I saw it. I guess now it's going to get official. It's only a matter of time, this stuff. And this is what the teaser looked like. It was circular, and it says, what's your dream island like? And that's courtesy of Realme, and they're just going to straight up say it. They say, we'll do an island for you.
Yeah, we need ideas, though.
They're like, you like that island over there? We'll do an island. What kind of island you need?
Yeah.
Chinese smartphone maker Realme is asking its loyal fans for ideas on how to copy Apple's dynamic island from the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro Max. In a challenge, Realme says the UI around the camera hole could morph into different shapes and sizes to display incoming phone calls, alerts, notifications, and more precisely like Apple's dynamic island. The company finds this idea quite appealing and has decided to turn to its loyal fans for ideas and suggestions on how such software feature could be implemented on Realme devices. Fans are asked to submit images. Wow. Illustrations. They really want you to design it.
It's an art contest.
You could win that contest, Will. Guy like you.
I don't know.
You got those skills, man for all seasons. Utility man. What don't you do, Will? That's a better question. What don't you do? What is off limits for you? Because it seems like when it comes to expertise, there's nothing, I can't bring up anything. And you're like, I know about it. I'm an expert in it. I'm a programmer. I'm a doctor. I'm a lawyer, etc. So give me an example of somewhere that's not the case, where you're not a seasoned veteran, where you need to improve.
Curling.
You're talking about the sport of curling.
Yeah. I want to improve.
You know what? That might be right up your alley.
I haven't tried, but I would like to play.
It's like,
we should go.
I'll go. I'll curl.
Yeah? Okay.
I'll bowl. I'll go bowling. Yeah, have you ever gone bowling?
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's fun.
You ever got a strike?
Sure.
Did you celebrate?
Big fan of strikes.
What'd you do? Raise a hand in the air?
Yeah. Waved it like I didn't care.
In an image attached to the challenge, Realme showcases a hole punch cutout with a yellow glow caption, "What's your dream island?" They say developers will use the winner's idea and consider it for possible implementation in the future. They're like, show us your island. We build the island. You work for us for free because you're a fan.
A loyal fan.
And the fans are like, well, you know what? I just want to see my island out there living. The dynamic island is not 100% polished at the moment, but I guess iOS in general, since the latest 16 is having a couple of bugs and things. People were upset. They saw we got the last video and it's the shaky cam. What was I calling it? Stimulated Jello.
Sure, yeah.
So you have the stimulated Jello and people are like, Lou, I can't, this is not a small deal. I can't post my snaps and this and that.
So it's a big deal.
Well, I don't know. I feel like maybe people read me the wrong way there. I just mean it's going to be patched, hopefully quickly.
Yeah.
But who knows? Maybe it won't be patched super quickly. And maybe they got their fancy new device and their friends are making fun of them because they look like everything they're posting is stimulated Jello. So whatever. I have sympathy for everyone.
Sure.
Well, everyone, even those that have shaky cams that they never asked for on their latest fancy polished stainless steel surgical grade iPhone 14 Pro Max, Pro Maximum.